Hello friends and welcome. Since April started, we have started facing problem in YouTube Vanced. It had started showing the error, which says the following content is not available on this app. It actually asks you to update your uh, YouTube app. So there's a fix to the problem. Why it is happening is because I think YouTube is detecting the particular account through which you have signed using MicroG. So let me guide you through what we can do. First, see whatever video I'm trying to open, the same message being popped up. Whatever video of doesn't matter to what channel or which content creator, but the same problem is coming. So to solve that, let us go to the advanced manager, which and here what we will do, we will first uninstall the micro G which is installed by deleting. Let us uninstall that. Okay, now we'll uninstall the YouTube Vanced also in the same way. Just let us uninstall. Now what is the next step is we have to install the micro G as well as the Vanced YouTube. So let me install. Hit install. Yeah, it's going in, taking the installation. After we have installed Vanced micro G, we need to install the Vanced YouTube also. So let me go there and download it, and let me just install. Just put in, just tap on install, and usually what we do, that we have to do. And once it's installed, what we have to be ensured, just let us not sign in. That is the what we are going to lose the track of what video we watched and all. That is the only thing we are going to lose. So just see, now I have downloaded and installed. Now I'm going to just play videos. See, all the videos are playing, so it will be, yeah, it's all okay. Thank you for watching.